Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Car Addiction, and today my Z broke again. If this is your first time in my channel, I'm a huge Nissan enthusiast. I got 3 300ZX twin turbo, R32 Skyline, Xterra. I don't know, Nissan Xterra, possessed by the demon himself. Don't know why I have an MR2, and then I also have a 944 for no apparent reason. Alright, so all of a sudden, a couple of days ago, I started noticing my 300ZX twin turbo, the baby car, is smoking. Whenever your vehicle is smoking, it is never a good sign. There are a couple of reasons it may smoke: because your head gasket is going out, or you have an oil leak, which is leading oil inside the cylinder, or in specific case with 300ZX, you have a leak in the turbo, or the turbos are going out. In anything that I mentioned, they're all fixable. But because it's a 300ZX, they're terrible to do, and all of these requires you pull the motor out, and it is just terrible, very expensive labor and detrimental to my financial health. If this is your first time in my channel and you are under the age of 21 and younger, stop, watch a cat video, talk to a female, do anything, enjoy the life, enjoy the weather. Do not be a car enthusiast, because it is literally detrimental to your financial health. Now, let me show you what's going on. So when it started smoking, the smoke was blue. Right now it's white and it looks like condensation. This I'm okay with it because it's a little cooler today. I don't have any catalytic converters, none of them. I also don't have EGR valve, so I'm okay with this. But the blue smoke in the front, the blue smoke in the beginning, over here you're going to notice a dense fog coming out. It's almost very strong, and it made me very uncomfortable. Now here's the kicker. I'm gonna go for a drive now, and once the engine is warmed up, none of these smoking happens. So this is where it gets a little complicated for me. So I just came from a long drive. Now the engine is hot and warm, everything is good and dandy, and if you can see, there's no smoke right now. So every time the engine goes hot, I go through a drive cycle, there's no smoke. Without it, especially when on a colder days, it smokes as if the head gasket is done, or the turbos are leaking crazy. Now here's the fun fact: when it's warmed up, I don't smoke even under boost. So if the turbos were leaking under boost, you're supposed to smoke, so which I don't do that either. That brings me to a very complicated situation, because should I do the head gasket? Should I do the turbos? What should I do? I don't want to do any of it without being 100% sure. That is the problem. If you know what's the reason behind it, please leave it in the comment section. It would really help me out to diagnose this. And once again, thank you for making it to the end of the video. Please hit the subscribe button and bell notification. Please hit the subscribe button and bell notification. Hopefully I get to figure it out and solve it.